Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make brinjal rice or eggplant rice, and it is so good, simple, delicious. And then for the recipe, for the ingredient, I have all of these over here. So let me start from the rice. I have the basmati rice soaking in water for about half an hour, and then I have eggplant. That you can use any kind of eggplant. I have like wash and then cut them into little chunk like that. And then I also have some diced onions, some chopped tomatoes, and then here this is chana dal, this is cumin seeds, this is mustard seeds. We need few more ingredients. I'm gonna show you later when the time comes. And then here I have so I have two different kind of dal over here, which is chana and tur dal. And then I have some garlic cloves, some dried chilies, some whole peppercorns, some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, only one green cardamom I'm using, and then some desiccated coconut. Now, you can use fresh coconut required for this recipe. I don't have fresh coconut, so I'm gonna use desiccated coconut. And to begin, let's go to the stove so we can get started. I have a little saucepan here heating with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil. I'm gonna add garlic, chili, cardamom, and I'm gonna add everything from this bowl except this coconut. And all we're gonna do here is saute these little spices that we are going to blend into a masala powder after we saute this over medium-low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. And now I'm gonna add the coconut, and then just half a second I'm gonna shut this off and let it cool. 4 tablespoons oil heating over medium-high heat. To that I'm gonna add this mustard seeds, cumin seeds, some curry leaf, and chana dal, and let it saute. And now I'm gonna add the onion and the tomatoes and also the eggplant, and all 3 ingredients gonna cook until softened, and everything is looking softened. And that took me about 8 to 9 minutes. And now the masala that we have roasted earlier, I have already blended, like just grind it. And then we're gonna add that, and then give it a stir. Heat over medium-low now because we don't want this to burn. And now I'm gonna add the rice. I have already drained the water. Not to forget salt. I almost was gonna forget the salt. And before I add water, I want to stir this rice and all of the veggies and the spices. And now I'm gonna add water. Just leave the water 1 inch on top of the rice. And now I'm gonna partially cover and let it cook. And our brinjal or eggplant, brinjal eggplant rice is ready. And it took me only 35 minutes. I did reduce the heat to low, halfway cook, and then I cover the lid completely. And this is how it looks like. Just come close and take a look. Smoky, and the smell is so good. And I'm just gonna plate, just make a plate so you guys can see how it looks like compared to the inside the pot. This can be served with anything you want, or you can just eat it as is. I'm gonna go serve this today with fish curry. I have my fish curry getting ready over there. And but yeah, as I said, you can eat it as is, or you can just eat it with fish curry. Look at this smoke, guys. I know it is hot, but I'm just gonna grab just a little bit. So hot, and I'm excited because I love this. I love eggplant. I can eat this as is at any time. All I have to do is add some chutney, some spicy, because since I love spicy. Otherwise, you're the boss of your own. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye.